Hello, my name is Mark Ewan, and I'm going to show you how to find references using the PBDB. So when you get to the PBDB splash page, click on Main Menu, and then we're going to find references for particular taxa. So a good way to do that is first search for a taxon. So we're going to pick, one of my favorite taxa, Dorodon, and you get the taxon information page. You can see right away there's a list of a bunch of references right here that have to do with genus Dorodon. So let's pick this one, that one I'm familiar with. And you can see here's the reference information, the metadata from the database about this reference. There is a bunch of classification information within this paper, and it's shown here in a sort of hierarchical tree format. There's a bunch of taxonomic opinions expressed in this paper that get summarized here. And you can see all the different fossil collections that presumably include things that had been called Dorodon at some time. So that's just one reference in this large list of them. We can dig a little more deeper by clicking on Show More Details, and you see a similar list, but here it sort of tells you what some of these references said specifically about the genus Dorodon. So the first one here, Dorodon, was assigned to Zeuglodontidae by Stromer 1908. And you can see different taxonomic assignments here with different references. So that's a handy little summary. And there's another tab up here that says External Literature Search. And this is kind of a new feature, and a lot of people don't know about it. So if you click on it, what it's doing is it's looking at data that's been pre-digested by the Geo Deep Dive program by Shannon Peters at the University of Wisconsin. And that program literally reads PDFs looking for specific information and has found a reference to Dorodon in 140 documents. And those documents may or may not be references already entered into the PBDB. So if you're entering data, this is a good way to check to see if you've entered everything, at least that Geo Deep Dive knows about, or to see if there are some papers you've never heard of that refer to this particular taxon. So that's really handy and a relatively new feature. So let's go back to the main menu, because we still really haven't gotten a comprehensive list of all the papers in the system that refer to Dorodon. The way to do that is to go to Download Records of All Types and click on Bibliographic References. And we'll do the same thing with Dorodon. Whoops, if I could spell, that would be good. Notice you can pick different reference types. So you can do ones that have taxonomic authority, like the ones that named it. But I'm just going to get them all. There's opinions, which ones have occurrences, collections, specimens. So there you go. I'm going to hit one more thing, go to the bottom, I always do this. Choose output options, always put include all. That means you'll get everything the database knows about the data you're downloading. So all the information about all the references. Hit download. It has produced a CSV file, which I'm opening in Excel. And like all data downloads from PBDB, there's some metadata about it. And you can see it found 85 references that have something to do with Dorodon. And here they are in tabular format. And so it's very handy if you're trying to generate a bibliography. You can do this. You can even download them. So this is the CSV file, but you can also download them in RIS format. And what that will allow you to do, I'll show you, is it allow you to import it directly into your reference manager like EndNote or Zotero. So here it is in RIS format, and it's trying to open it in EndNote. There you go. I'm not going to save that because I already have all these references, but there you go. That is how you both browse and retrieve references from the paleobiology database. Thanks much.